Today we are breaking down the top 7 most important dashboard lights, what they mean, and the symptoms you should never ignore. Let's get into it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. First up, the infamous check engine light. This little guy is like the boy who cried wolf. Sometimes it's nothing, but other times, it's a big deal. It could mean anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. Symptoms to watch for: rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, strange noises or smells. If this light comes on, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Get it checked out ASAP. Next, the oil pressure light. This one's a red flag, literally. If this light comes on, it means your engine isn't getting enough oil, and trust me, you don't want to mess with that. Symptoms to watch for: engine knocking or ticking sounds, oil leaks under your car, overheating. If you see this light, pull over safely and check your oil level. If it's low, top it up. If the light stays on, call a tow truck. Your engine's life depends on it. Number 3. The battery light. This light means your car's charging system isn't working properly. Maybe your battery's dying, or your alternator's on the fritz. Symptoms to watch for: dim headlights, difficulty starting the car, electrical issues like your radio or windows acting up. If this light comes on, get to a mechanic before you're stranded with a dead battery. Alright, number 4 is the brake system light. This one's serious. Your brakes are your car's most important safety feature. Symptoms to watch for: spongy or unresponsive brake pedal, grinding noises when braking, leaking brake fluid. If this light comes on, stop driving immediately and get your brakes checked. Your safety is worth it. Number 5. The tire pressure light. This light looks like a flat tire with an exclamation point, and it's telling you one of your tires is underinflated. Symptoms to watch for: uneven tire wear, poor handling or steering, a visibly flat tire. Driving on underinflated tires can be dangerous and even lead to a blowout. Check your tire pressure and fill them up. Number 6 is the coolant temperature light. This one looks like a little thermometer floating in water, and it means your engine is overheating. Symptoms to watch for: steam coming from under the hood, a rising temperature gauge, a sweet smell, that's coolant leaking. If this light comes on, pull over and let your engine cool down. Driving while overheating can cause irreversible damage. Last but not least, the airbag light. This light looks like a little person with a ball in front of them, and it means there's an issue with your airbag system. Symptoms to watch for: the light stays on after starting the car, previous accidents or repairs that might have affected the system. If this light is on, your airbags might not deploy in an accident. Get it checked out right away. So there you have it, the top 7 most important dashboard lights and what they mean. Remember, your car is like a partner. It communicates with you and it's your job to listen. Ignoring these lights could lead to costly repairs or even put you in danger. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.